11-13. That's a poker face inbreed. The mother was a daughter poker face 9-11 and the father was poker face crossed with Bestkittel. The old line crossed with a special pigeon from Bestkittel and Porsche. Very good. That's a perfect body. Strong bones, fan bones totally closed. Soft and long muscles.